Magandang hapon mga ka-Teka DIY. Welcome ulit sa ating YouTube channel, Teka DIY Hydroponics. Ngayong hapon, ipapakita ko naman sa inyo kung paano mag-install ng Amazon Echo Dot. Napanood nyo naman siguro kung paano natin i-command si Alexa para paandarin yung ating mga gadgets dito sa ating rooftop, pati dito sa ating garden. So, ito na yung gagamitin natin. Ito ay Echo Dot na made by Amazon para makipag-communicate kay Alexa. Instead na yung gamit kasi natin nung nakaraan nating video is yung Alexa app. Although gagamitin pa rin natin yon para i-configure itong Amazon Echo Dot. Hindi na natin kailangang buksan yung ating cellphone para i-voice command si Alexa para paandarin yung ating mga gadgets dito sa ating rooftop, kundi ito na yung ating gagamitin. Palagi siyang naka-prepare para mag-receive ng ating voice command. So panoorin nyo ang video na ito. Dumating na yung ating order na Echo Dot. Bubuksan na natin. Delivered by GoGo Express. Then Game Extreme, yung ating pinagbilhan sa Shopee para i-install dito sa ating hydroponics garden. Yun, Game Extreme, para totally na voice activated na lang yung ating mga switches dito sa ating hydroponics farm. Hydroponics garden lang pala, hindi siya farm. Hydroponics laboratory. Yun. By Amazon. Uy, kala ko seal is broken. Ito. Yun. So ito yung ating Echo Dot. Charcoal yung kanyang color, mga ano na box, parang matagal na na-stock. And then ano pa yung sa loob, manual, and then power supply. Yun lang. Then saksak na natin at testingin na natin. Kasi nga yung gamit natin dati is yung ating cellphone para i-voice command. Ilaw. Yan, meron na tayong Echo Dot. Then check natin sa ating tablet pala ng aking anak, kasi nga nagluloko yung aking cellphone. Alexa. Uy, may sounds pa.
Hello.
Hello.
Your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Okay. Ano? Okay. Device. And then add. Ayan, Echo. Or wala pa tayong echo, kaya add muna. And then add device. And then okay, Amazon Echo. Echo that. Turn on the Bluetooth. Turn on the Bluetooth. Okay. Is your Echo plug-in? Displaying orange? Yes. Ayun, Echo that. Searching for Wi-Fi. Fisher King. Enter password. Iyan ko lang yung aming password. Patay ko lang yung password ng aming Wi-Fi. Yan, connecting na. Input ko lang yung password ng aming Wi-Fi. Your Echo Dot is now connected.
Your Echo is ready.
Uy. Continue. English. English. And then which room is your Echo Dot in? Saan ba kita ilalagay? I think sa hallway. I think. And then loading. Camp 8. And then welcome to Amazon Sidewalk. Shared network will help device work better. Enable. Enable. Welcome to Echo Dot. Skip na natin to. And then get started with Alexa. Let's go.
Hey there. It's nice to meet you.
Uy.
Let's get you started with 4 things to try.
Okay.
You can say stop at any time. Let's get started. To talk to me, just say my name and ask me a question. Try saying this. Alexa, what's the weather?
Alexa, what's the weather?
In Camp 8, it's 25 degrees Celsius with cloudy skies. Let's try something fun. I love a good chuckle. Try saying, Alexa, tell me a joke.
Alexa, tell me a joke.
What's a pirate's favorite exercise? The plank. That was a real knee slapper. Here's the next thing I want to show you. When you've got a lot on your plate, ask me for a reminder. I'll cancel this reminder after, but try saying this. Alexa, remind me to call Mom at 6 p.m.
Alexa, remind me to call Mom at 6 p.m.
Okay, here's a preview of your reminder. I'm reminding you. Call Mom. I'll cancel that reminder for now. Let's move on to something else. You can personalize how often you'll need to say my name in a conversation. If you turn on follow-up mode, you won't need to say my name after every request. Do you want to enable this now?
Yes.
Follow-up mode is now on. Let's move on to the last part of this introduction. I'll ask you a few questions to see what you like. Then, I'll send you recommendations to your Alexa app. First question, do you like staying up to date on the latest news?
Yes.
Second question, I've got mad skills. Skills are like apps for Alexa, so you can do more, like play games, order a pizza, or listen to a meditation. Do you want to learn more about skills?
Yes.
One more thing, I have lots of audiobooks. You can ask me to read one while cooking or before going to bed. Want to learn more?
Yes.
I've sent your recommendations in the Alexa app. One last thing. I'm designed to protect your privacy. You can manage it in the privacy settings of the Alexa app. Okay, now it's time to explore. And thanks for talking with me.
Okay. Then, check muna natin sa ating Alexa app. Ulit. Ating mga device. All device. Yan. Dito lahat. Yung ating mga switches. And yung ating Echo Dot. Testingin nga natin. Alexa, turn on the rooftop hydroponics garden.
Okay.
Yun, tinurn on nyo yung ating pump sa ating hydroponics garden. Alexa, turn off the rooftop hydroponics garden.
A few things share that name. Firewall garden, rooftop hydroponics garden, and terrace garden. Which one did you want?
Rooftop hydroponics garden.
Okay.
Ayun, tinurn off niya. Alexa, thank you. Yan yung ating Alexa Echo Dot Generation 3.
I don't know that one.
Yeah, I'm not talking to you, Alexa. I'm talking to my subscribers. Ito natin ilalagay itong ating Echo Dot para pagka umakyat tayo ng hagdan, madali tayong marinig ni Alexa. So, kasi nga yung ating ilaw doon, makikita niyo yun. Alexa, turn on the light.
Okay.
Yan. Alexa, turn off the light.
Okay.
Yun. Siya na mismo yung mag-turn on ng ating ilaw pag umaakyat tayo dito sa ating rooftop garden para tignan itong ating hydroponics at saka itong ating mga gamit dito. Alexa, turn on the 3D printer.
Okay.
Tsaka pagka magpiprint tayo sa ating 3D printer at saka yung iba pa nating mga gadgets dito sa ating rooftop. So maraming gamit si Alexa. Pwede rin siyang pang play ng music. Kailangan lang i-connect sa Spotify. Alexa, music please.
Here's Spotify.
Yeah. Alexa, tone down. Alexa, lower the volume. Alexa, lower story music.
Laura Story Radio from Spotify.
So, yan yung ating Alexa. Continue. Pag naririnig niyo yung pangalan niya, nagre-react siya kaagad. So yan, pwede na nating i-voice command yung ating mga timers dito sa ating rooftop. Aside from mayroon silang schedule na pag on at saka off, pwede rin natin silang i-voice command gamit itong Echo Dot na ito. So maraming po salamat sa inyong panonood. Please continue to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more DIY projects. Thank you and God bless.